Okay, my friend, we're still rolling, and I want to continue that conversation we've been having about why so many people just never ever do this grant thing, even though, deep in their heart, they know they want to do it. And I want to share with you one of the biggest things. Now, I'm over here right now by Cal Tech University. In fact, let me pull up a little bit more and show you exactly where I'm at. This is the same school that Albert Einstein actually taught at for a little bit. And it's a very prestigious school. A lot of brainiacs, a lot of smart people here. But let me tell you this, one thing that keeps so many people from actually ever writing a grant is that they think that, you know what, Rodney, I'm not smart enough. And you don't have to be some genius to be able to write a grant proposal. You do have to be able to think. If you can't think, then this is not for you. You don't have to be some superb writer. You do have to be able to write. So it's not that you have to be this super something. You just have to be able to apply yourself, put some legs and some action to learning, and then doing it. And if you'll do so, you'll find that you'll be on your way to becoming a grant writer. But if you sit and never do anything, man, I can't help you. And you won't ever become a grant writer that way. But guess what? What if you made it up in your mind this week? You say, okay, hey, this week, Rodney, I'm going to do one thing that's going to make me one step closer to becoming a grant writer. And if you'll just write down what that one thing is that you're gonna do, I'm gonna be cheering you on, okay? So just write it right below, and let's stay in touch, and let's keep on making this thing happen. You can do this, okay? And don't forget, go get the free resources I have over at Grant Writing for Beginners. I'll share with you my mistakes so that you can just get started. That may be your one thing, okay? So go do it, sign up, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.